Listen, you're not going to get in trouble. Did you use any drugs? A little? Did you smoke anything?
I just smoke.
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Patrol Vlog, Season 3, Episode 13. If you guys are new here, my name is Mikey Mo. We cover law enforcement topics on this channel, and videos like this, we do actual ride-alongs where you get to watch body camera footage from calls we go to. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. It helps me out. It helps get this video out to other people who can see it. So let's get into this first call. It came in as a suspicious person. A gentleman ended up on the front steps of the complainant's house. He was sweating profusely, talking a bunch of nonsense, saying people were chasing him. It didn't seem quite right, and they went ahead and gave us a call, and here's what happened next.
Good, how are you? What's up?
I had him call for safety.
You had him call for what?
Safety. I thought I saw something, and I wasn't taking any chances.
What did you think you saw?
I thought I saw either somebody with like a toy gun, or it could have possibly been a real one, but they're all masked up, and
Yeah?
it scared me. I ran.
Okay, where'd you run from?
Oh my God, somewhere that way.
Where?
I apologize. I'm just.
It's all right, calm down. It's okay. The police are here now. You're safe.
I seen police shoot. It scares the shit out of me. I don't want to die. That's why.
Yeah, well, you're not going to die. Where are you from?
I was born and raised in this county.
Yeah? Are you homeless right now?
No.
Where do you live at?
4477 Fallbrook Boulevard, Palm Harbor, Florida.
Okay, how'd you get here?
I've been here for a couple days. I was originally in Newport at a friend's house.
Do you know where you're from or where you are right now?
Yes, sir. Clearwater.
Okay. What day is it?
Oh my goodness, it is Tuesday. Call off Tuesday. He made me take off Wednesday, so it's Wednesday.
Wednesday, and who's the president?
Oh my goodness, Biden.
Biden? Okay.
Sir.
Did you use any? Listen, you're not going to get in trouble. Did you use any drugs? A little? Did you smoke anything?
I just smoke weed, but I don't have any.
Did you smoke maybe some spice?
No, not intending.
When was the last time you smoked the weed?
Weed?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like I said, you're not in trouble, but clearly you're a little off right now. So.
Yes, very much.
So what do you think caused that?
What I believe I saw, honestly, and my eyes aren't perfect. I wear contacts.
Okay.
But I was better safe than sorry.
Yeah. How far did you run?
Not too far, maybe a couple blocks.
Okay.
I just booked it, made cuts and corners to try to lose it if they were behind me.
What did they look like?
They were masked up.
Masks?
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Did you lose your shoes during that process?
Yes.
Okay.
They're somewhere, and I don't care. They're only $10. I'll get one. That's not a problem. Sorry.
All right, but listen, here's what I need from you.
It's
To make sense of it, right? Because no one with masks was chasing you. I think it was maybe a hallucination.
if that's the
And you
case,
may be hallucinating
I
from
haven't
some
slept in a
type
couple
of
days.
strange drug that you used. What do you think that, did you smoke it or did you inject it?
so he's not gonna pull a gun on me.
He's fine. These guys are all fine.
He's just, he said he had.
They're all
a gun
fine.
with him.
Maybe the FD?
But yes,
I
sir.
don't know.
And I'm not
What do you think?
a flight risk, or I don't want to kill myself or anything.
No, I know, but you're obviously, did you use drugs? Honestly, just be honest.
N-
You're not going to get in trouble.
Of course. So I told
I'm
you-
trying to evaluate you, and right now you're not.
Understood, and I can explain that. I was supposed to go to sleep last night. I didn't get sleep like I should have. And
Okay.
my boss even told me to take the day off.
What do you do for work?
Would you have
I
a
work
problem
at
if we had the paramedics come out and just take your blood pressure and make sure like everything's basically okay?
No, I never refuse that. Absolutely. I'd be more than happy to if that's what you wish.
That would make us feel
I'm
better.
more than happy to cooperate.
We just want to make sure you're all right.
That's not a problem.
You okay with that?
It's not a problem. Actually, I need to maybe see them anyway. I might go intake myself, if
Okay.
you'd like to call. But is it possible to avoid the ambulance calls?
Well,
a couple bucks. And it's $500 for like 3 bucks. I don't have insurance just yet. I get it after 60 days. I've been there for 30 something.
Where do you normally stay at?
Over in Eastlake.
All right. Listen, I don't want you to reach in your pockets or anything. I just want to make sure you don't have any weapons on you. Don't reach for anything.
I'm
just going to check. Do you have an ID on you?
I do not.
All right, so don't reach for the box cutter, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
Just do me a favor. Turn around and put
Yes,
your
sir.
hands on top of your head for me and spread your legs out real wide. Where's the box cutter?
It could be right in the world. I just got that wallet, so I am waiting on ID.
Do you have any ID? Listen, you're not in trouble. I'm just making sure you don't have any weapons on you or anything. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling still. I've got nothing on it. I'm not sure. I don't know. I probably
Do you take any medication?
No.
Are you supposed to?
No, sir.
Okay.
I know. I'm pretty sure you probably like referencing schizophrenia.
You have schizophrenia?
No, but I know somebody did a long time ago.
You know someone who did.
Now, okay. Good to go?
Nothing there.
Yeah, you're good. It's empty wallet.
I'm gonna go slow, and I did have cash, and I'm still waiting on my debit card.
Let me see your hand. Taking your pulse. Relax.
That's from Ryan, probably. I'm a little fast, no doubt. My adrenaline's still kicking. How does it feel? Honestly.
What did you say you do for work?
I do construction. You know, if we kept this discreet, you know, it's craziest side of my life, but I work right up the street for Construction Equipment Inc. We do scaffolding.
Okay.
We pick up, we do deliveries out to different places, like we go to Tampa, Sarasota, sometimes as far as Jacksonville if they need it, but very rare.
You guys set it up too?
Yeah, we'll deliver it to the site and take it off the truck, absolutely.
But do you actually build it for the people? Or
No, I don't build them. That would be too much.
Care if he has a cigarette?
No, smoke away. Do you have a lighter?
I got one.
He's
so
got one.
Thank you so much, sir.
310 on group 12. Date of birth is 11/4/1990. He's a white male.
We're not allowed to smoke. That's very, very kind of you, actually. I appreciate that. You're the first person ever, I think, in my career that offered me
I'll offer you a
a
cigarette.
cigarette with. Yeah. Got it?
Michael, where are you staying around here?
I'm not. I live in Eastlake.
Okay, so how did you get here?
I can Uber, bus.
How are you going to Uber? You don't have a phone.
I got my girls. I'm gonna. Nice.
310.
Do you have any friends that live over in this area?
It was far. Like, I just call my girl. She Uber me from wherever I'm at. She can just take it right out of my account.
Where's she live?
Down south, close to across from 19.
Down where?
Across from Road 19.
Oh, okay. Does she have a car?
She can't drive. She has
No.
seizures right now and they're dealing with that. It took her 18 months to get the disability. Can you believe that?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, actually.
I don't know if. I think the FD would just be a waste of time.
I mean,
Do
unless
you
you
think?
wanted to go to the hospital, which he had made mention of.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Nah, if you don't. I just want to make sure you guys felt
Come here.
comfortable that-
Come sit over here.
That's up to you.
So taxi.
I'm okay.
Yeah, I don't want the taxi to run you over. Then you'll have to go to the hospital.
Grab your cigarettes.
Slow and
Yeah, grab your cigarettes.
You feel like you have to go to the hospital?
no.
Here's the deal. You're not even close to home. How are we going to get you out of here? Where's your phone?
I've got my Verizon on the way from my
Do you have any friends around here?
I got my girls. That's my.
How did you get here?
My friend Rob came up. He wanted to hang out with a couple people, but I didn't know him too well. He went home.
Where does Rob live?
He lives over in Seven Springs, to be specific. But
So how did you get here, Clearwater?
earlier, I got a ride from Rob.
And why did you come down here?
Just to hang out with people.
Who were you hanging out with?
My buddy Rob and some of his friends.
Where do they live?
Right down G Street. Like one of the subdivisions, like all right along there by the gas station.
Is that where Rob is right now?
No, he's waiting for work. He does HVAC, so he's scheduled on.
Let me just talk to these people real quick.
HVAC. It's almost 7 o'clock. You ain't here working?
No, probably not now.
Yeah.
He's probably going home.
I don't see a reason because he's just going to refuse the FD, I would think, right? Unless they.
Well, yeah, he just said before about self-checking himself in, so I didn't know if he wanted to.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
if it keeps me from getting Baker acted, I would be more than happy to cooperate. But I don't feel like I need to necessarily, but I will just to not.
I'm not Baker acting you, so
Yeah,
what?
if
So
it's, I feel like I'm okay. I just want to make sure I was safe out of that situation. Before that.
Well, that's what our concern is too. We need to make sure you're safe, and I don't think either one of us feels super comfortable just sending you on your way in your socks.
hi. What was he doing? He was just sitting.
No, we were sitting here, and then I heard a noise or saw, like, I don't know, it was out of the corner of my eyes, or I heard, but I saw something weird. I thought maybe it was their dog jumping off the porch, but it was him.
Jumping
So
off
he
that front
jumped
porch?
off their front porch. We didn't hear him go in. We didn't see him come out. He just
I don't know.
jumped.
I don't know what happened, but there is a door open there, but I don't know.
It's not the front door that's open.
Yeah, I don't
They
know
had
what
their
it
back
is.
door open, but we don't know if he went in their house or not.
Okay. Are they home now or no?
I don't think that's home.
Do you have a way to get a hold of them, or are you
Their
close?
landlord is the lady across the street.
I have
I only know them by their first name.
Is their back door? You said their back door is open.
Yes, but their back door was open earlier today, this afternoon, like an hour ago when I was watering, yeah.
Like wide open.
Cracked open.
Yeah,
But I've seen them do that before.
All right. So he thinks that someone's chasing him, and we're just trying to figure out how to get him out of here.
When he's coming off of
Yeah, just let him know that it doesn't look like he doesn't have anything. That
Just running it by you as well. So you guys can see me take off.
He's very considerate. I like this. He says he knows his girlfriend's phone number by heart. Do we want to try calling her just to see what she has to say?
you didn't go in that house over there, did you?
No, no, sir.
You were just on the porch.
Yes, I've seen it. I'm just trying to be safe and look for you guys.
Is he an aces at all?
Yeah. Heavily. All right. Where are you headed?
That direction, regardless. I want to go home.
Okay. So what do you know which way is home?
He said something about the bus is free right now because of the pandemic. Have you heard that?
Just now, sir.
Do you know how to get to the bus station? You know what street that is right there? Don't look at the sign. It's cheating. What street? Drew Street? All right. You know where you're going from there to get to the bus stop? Listen, no one's chasing you. That's the drugs that you used that are making you hallucinate. You have blood in your ear. What's that from?
That's not a problem. That's all. There's nothing I can do about it.
That's the only thing that makes me more nervous. If he's picked up by all these people, what's
I've
going to happen
tried
when he goes
asking
up to
before.
the bus station and there's people
Should
crawling
we just
around?
have the FD come?
I don't know.
I feel like I'm wasting my time.
Well, yeah.
You know?
What happened with that? Did it no answer, but was it like a voicemail for an actual person?
You called again?
No.
So I think it's tough.
Do you use drugs by way of IV?
I have.
You- When was the last time? Today?
No, sir.
Listen, I'm not judging you, and you're not in trouble.
Yes.
I'm not trying to take you to jail. I'm trying to get you home safely.
I really appreciate it.
All right, so when was the last time you used them? Today?
Yes, sir. I kind of fell into it. But I know what I know people who, can handle these things. And I might have even the gun possibly, but I
Well,
saw
if
him.
you've also been up all night, you said you never went to sleep.
That's correct. I'd rather be honest with you guys.
Probably do it too.
But still be careful in me. I just want to be safe.
Well, how about this? So here's what my concern is. Like everybody that's walked by here, you've been kind of creeped out by them. What happens if we give you a ride over to the bus station and there's like 50 people walking around out there? Is that gonna like freak you out?
No, it's a public area and there's no back streets to walk out.
Okay.
I feel more comfortable in a public area. That's all.
Okay.
And I do appreciate everything, honestly.
Just give me a ride.
Yeah, I guess.
All right. Okay.
All right, thank you again.
All right, let's put that cigarette out. Let's get going. They sell them at Costco.
I know, there's them everywhere. Can you?
This way, buddy.
He doesn't let many people ride in this car, so you should feel special. Actually, it's like brand new.
Yeah, I feel like they'd be a waste of time. He's not that messed up where
No, you're right. This is one of those weird gray areas. So.
I hate sometimes calling those guys out for BS.
Yeah, I mean, try this.
Yeah.
People out there.
What's going to happen is
there.
they're going to get like an hour from now.
All right, so that's where things wrapped up. From this point forward, my partner here gives this gentleman a ride to the bus stop, and he is on his way. And if you watch through this entire video, I'm sure you saw a couple times where the two of us you know, conferred with each other and basically trying to decide exactly what to do. And you saw here at the end where we joked about this being a gray area, because it was. The gentleman really didn't meet the criteria for involuntary examination, which would be like the Baker Act or a Marchman Act if he was so intoxicated or impaired that he couldn't care for himself. And he didn't really want to go, but we also had that concern of, do we just let this guy wander the streets on his own? So it gets to a real tough area, because we have to have certain things met to take somebody against their will. We're not going to just do that lightly because we think we should. It has to meet that criteria. So in this case, we were right on that borderline, and you heard us joke about it that, you know, well, we'll probably just get a call in an hour or so. And thankfully we did not. This was the last we heard of the situation. Everybody moved on and was happy, and it was a smooth result in the end. But this is how this stuff goes. And you saw, and I actually cut quite a bit out of this call, in between standing around trying to make decisions. That's how long these things take sometimes. And I've had a few people comment on some of my videos where we're dealing with the public. You took too long on that. I would have never taken that long. Well, you probably shouldn't be a cop then, because this is us doing our job and doing it the way we're supposed to do it. This is what it takes to resolve some of these problems and do it in a professional manner that is conducive to everybody involved. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, a little insight to what we do on a day-to-day basis. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All of the links are in the show notes down below. As always, until the next video, I want you guys to take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.
All right, buddy. Good luck, all right?
Yes, sir.
The bus stop's right over there.
Of course, my son.
Yep, you're good.
Thank you again, officer.
Take care of yourself, all right?